So everywhere is so empty. My shelves are empty. I've been taking this time to, plan, create content, and just get ready for this new collection, which I'm super, super excited about. I am excited about it. So this is what the space is looking like. Super empty, like I said. All my shelves empty. Can you guys see? Empty, empty, empty. And by now, I'm sure most of you have seen my content space that we created together. So that's what it's looking like. I'm sure you guys have seen it in most of my sit down videos. So this is what the space is looking like, and this is one of my display rack. So yes, so the goods will be coming in maybe in an hour or two. They called me that they're loading. Okay, so they called me that they're loading my goods, and they should be here shortly, which I'm super excited about. Hi fam. I had to go change my shirt. I didn't like the black, and then I had to do some little color on my nails. But it's just 1 or 2 hours after the very first clip you saw, and I'm looking like, so the goods arrived. I think I made a short video of when they were coming in, and we are now trying to put it here. So this is what we are working with. Oh my god. So we're just trying to move the bags and all of it to our workspace. Yeah, let me move the camera back so you guys can see what we are working with. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. So this is pot. Some of the items are like in my living area, so we're trying to move it here so it's not all over the place. And that's my baby piece behind me. Basically I'm tired. I've not had anything to eat today. I only drank coffee. I'm talking too much, so yeah. It's a lot. And I hope you guys heard what I was saying. So we have to unpack now, and it is a lot. We have to bring everything out from the sacks and the bags, and then we'll start stacking them on the rack, which is going to take the whole of today. And this is just 10 minutes past 2 p.m. I don't know when we are going to be done. Yeah. So let's get to work. We prayed for this day, and the day has arrived. So let's get to work, guys.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like me, they chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so blame me, I'm on. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God up. Make them they talk up. And so they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, lubedu. Yeah, go sing a salad when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. Like say I know see waiting you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
Me like a gunner, body they rise in my tunnel. I say color your brother, don't look at this like a jar. Body they draw me like a banner. Body they rise in my tongue. Girl, if you balance the echo, I give you paper. Oh, no, go do me Diego, my Maradona. Girl, if you happy, you're Soweto, mama for his Girl, if I back you tornado, and I can follow your Cresco. Today, don't be crazy, hey, for your waist, oh. I go pay for your lace, oh. Hey, for your lace. Today, don't be crazy, hey, for your waist, oh. I go pay for your lace, oh. Na 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 ooh, na 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 na. Soweto, na 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 na. Soweto, today to the grass, oh, yeah, for your waist, oh, I could pay for your lace, oh, yeah, for your waist. Today to the grass, oh, yeah, for your waist, oh, I could pay for your lace, oh. Na na, color your bracket, no cut this like a girl. Body they draw me like a banana, body they rise in my tongue. I say color your bracket, no cut this like a girl.
People share them, I know like Otoro. You know that as you go do one, I go know your girl. I get to your color. If you work shy, my face so giant, madam be too oh, hey, I'm on my way, oh, Lati chai, Lale Friday, no more way, I'm on my way, Lati chai, oh, Lale Friday, I'm on my way. My Lady Gaga, she got me in my feelings. I be harder. Father's got enough feeding my holy father, my holy father, holy father, holy father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I be harder. Father's got enough feeding my holy father, my holy father. On my mark, oh, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, oh. I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my map, oh, till I run out of that, oh, yeah. On my map, oh, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, oh. I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, oh, till I run out of that, oh. On my map, oh, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running back for you. Give me your map, oh. I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, oh.
Hi guys, good morning. So we're almost done. Yesterday was, I don't want to say a mess, but it was a stressful day. I think we started, the goods came in at 1:30ish, thereabout. And then when they got in, first they had to offload it from their car. Hold on, let me adjust the gimbal. Yeah. So first they had to offload it from their car. It's raining. It's been raining since yesterday in Accra, and I don't do so well with rain and cold. The weather is cozy, and back to the story. So first, when they came in, they had to offload it from their truck, and then after that, we had to put it somewhere outside the house, and after that, we had to move it to my sitting area and then move it to the workspace. They came in big cartons, big boxes. You see clips, I'm sure. And afterwards, we started stacking them up. These are all cashmere scarves. the bags and silk scarves are over there. I'll show you guys, but it has been, I think when we started at 1:30 there about yesterday, and after that I think I personally slept at 11 because I'm someone that if I start, especially when my goods arrive, even if I don't have help, if it's going to take me to like 1 a.m. before now, I'll continue working till everything is set up because I'll just feel like I'm hearing noises in my head. I won't be able to sleep. So I had to make sure that I finish up yesterday. So we're about 80% done. Yes, we'll still have to stack up some more goods. My shelf is full. Let me see if I can take this off the gimbal. My shelf is full, full, full. So these are all cashmere scarves. These are the plain cashmere scarves behind me. Sorry, I'm telling myself sorry. These are the plain cashmere scarves. We have what's it called? The ponchos and all of that good stuff. See my eyes, I need more sleep. And we had to put some of the handbags here, and the wallets are down there. So these are some of the handbags. Gorgeous. This video is not to show like individual designs. I'll try and make another video. And then those are silk scarves. Those are silk scarves. We still have to stock them up. Let me switch the camera so you see. So these are the plain cashmere scarves. Yes. These are double-sided cashmere scarves. We have the embroidered one, double-sided. These are gorgeous ponchos. So this is a session for like where we can put some of the bags for now. Some are still in boxes. So these are part of our new collection. This bag is gorgeous. See, all my nails, everything is out. I have to go to make my nails today. This is like also beautiful. These are purses. These are old brooches that we had left. These are silk. Whew. The quality of the scarves, guys. Topic for another day. But yeah, so these are silk. I think in each is about 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So all the way down. No space to stack up more. Okay, so for now, oh, this light is crazy. For now, no space to stack up more scarves. So yeah, I think I'm okay now. Yeah, so for now, we don't have like enough space to stack up more scarves. So we'll just take the designs that we need, like setting them off, and the other ones will be in the boxes. So as we're setting, we're restocking. So still trying to fix this place up. It's Saturday, and this is 8:03 a.m. Deliveries for today already gone out. The day is starting very beautifully anyway. So just one thing we have to do for today. Let me show you the time. So yeah, 8. Can you guys see? That's my little niece. But this is 8:03 a.m. Yeah, so the only thing I want to do for today is people have been asking for gift set, and we've not had gift set in like 2 weeks. So I'll just curate a little gift set here and there and post, add it to the website, and rest. I really need to rest. Take green tea to calm me down, rest. Yesterday, I didn't mention, yesterday I didn't sleep till I didn't have my first meal for the day till like almost 7:30. Like I say, when I'm busy working, I have to like tell myself that nope, you're going to do this under stress. So yeah, so I try to control myself and not fall into that stress circle. I don't want it. So yeah, So that was that about yesterday and the restock from the empty shelf to the full shelf. So the shelf is full now. And I'm super excited. Whenever I have new stock, I'm always excited because it tests my creativity as well. So when this item comes in, it means all this marketing and sales strategies that I have written down, plan to do, I start implementing them. So it gives me that joy. So I start implementing these sales strategies that I have been working on, and it just brings out that creative side of me. I love to be creative. I love to test my ability, my skill as you know, as a business owner and all the other little hats, sales manager, marketing manager, content creator, yes, sales rep, customer service, logistics, and all of that. But it's a good thing right now that, like I said in my video when I talked about Connect Team, that right now we are three, and I'm so glad because it reduced the workload off my shoulder drastically. Yeah, so I'm really glad about that. Yeah, so I'm so glad about that. Actually, today's Friday. Yeah, so I'm glad about that. If it was before now, oh God, my head would just be spinning about different things I want to do on my own. I'm chasing logistics, I'm chasing speed off, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. But now I just like how I walk from the position of rest and I get things done faster. And this is to say that as a business owner, learn to prioritize. Learn to prioritize. Okay, so this video will be too lengthy if I want to show like designs we have and all of that. So I'll create another video for that because we still have a lot of work to do. I told you guys, Sky is coming in over the weekend and we are going to be doing our professional content. And for most of the content, I am going to be the model. For now, we don't have a budget to hire a model. Yeah, so for now, I'm going to be doing most of the modeling shots or the modeling work. Sky will be the photographer and I'll also be the director of the whole thing. So I have to save my energy for for the weekend. Aside that, it has been beautiful. In case I did not mention my name earlier, my name is Tare, and if you're seeing all of this for the first time, I have a growing business in Ghana called Ladies and Scarves, and the core of my business is scarves. These are all scarves. These are stock that is supposed to go out in about 2 months. I should be done selling this. Amen. Yeah, so 2-3 months, all the stock is supposed to go at least 80% down. So yeah, that's that about my restock video, and I'll see you guys in my next video when I'm prim and proper and well dressed and all of that. But just manage this for now, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.